This experiment is a take on what the junior certs are already covering. In this experiment, we are going to basically test out different materials for conduction. Students use this already by using power packs and bulbs. In this case, we're going to replace our power pack with an MP3 player, and we're going to replace our bulb with a speaker from a guitar amp. When setting up this circuit, it is very important that you set up the wires correctly. So you have to set up one wire that goes directly from the MP3 player into the speaker. You have to set up another wire that goes from the MP3 player to the speaker, but still has a gap in the middle. That's the gap we're going to fill with our conductors, which in this case is going to be the human body. Let's now move on to show you how the wires are set up. As we see, there is one stereo jack wire coming out of the MP3 player, and we have one stereo jack that goes back into the guitar amp. Now they're different sizes because they're different equipment. So in order to connect these two up together, you take a single wire with crocodile clips at the end. First attach them to the ground. The ground is the long cylindrical part on the outside, and make sure both of them are connected. So once you have both grounds connected, that is one of the wires done. The next wire we have to connect is the human conductor. So in this case, you just take your fingers and you tip them off the tops of both wires. By doing this, we have completed the circuit, and when we complete the circuit, the music can be heard. One question you may be asked in this experiment is, how does the electricity not shock the person as it goes through them into the speaker? So a very simplified circuit to show the idea of how it works is, the amp itself has a separate circuit that actually boosts the signal. So that goes back into the mains, which is 230 volts. So as the signal comes from the MP3 player around through the speaker and through the person, this little section here actually boosts the signal, which is why you can hear it, but you have a very small current going through the person and it does not shock them.